Hey, how are you guys? Here we have a bumper that we're going to be painting, and I want to show you guys how to paint a bumper properly without any runs and without any issues. So just check it out and let's paint a bumper, okay? The first thing that we're going to do, our paint gun. As you guys can see, I'm using a Tecna with about 7 ounces of clear coat. Alright guys, so the first thing that we're doing here is to shoot all the areas that are hard to reach. As you can see, in every shot it's about a second. We don't want to spend too much time on those areas because we don't want to have runs on those hard areas to reach. And that's a good way how you can measure how much time you need to spend on when you shoot in the clear. So as you can see, I moved my hand pretty quick. I don't really go that slow, and you can count the seconds when I'm shooting, so that way you can measure yourself also when you shoot in the clear. So here we go to the side, and as you can see now, all I'm just doing is shooting the flat areas, easy, and not worries about getting in those hard areas to reach because they are already covered. Here on the top you guys can see it's about a 2-3 seconds when I'm shooting the flat area. Here's about 3 seconds when I go to the front main part. Here you can see I'm tilting the gun a little bit to get into that underlip part of the bumper. And yeah, you don't want it to be too slow because that's gonna be a big risk on you running the paint. Also, the PSI is on the gun, it's about, like 30 psi, depending on your gun, what type of tip you're using. Here you can see I use half of my cup, which is about 7 ounces. Then we give it a flash time of about 10 minutes. See, and on the second coat we are going to be doing the same thing. We're going to be shooting the hard areas to reach again first. The same thing with your base coat. You want it to do that first, and then you go over it on all the flat areas easily. You don't have to go back into those areas because that's how you can have a risk of running the paint. So I didn't show you guys the base coat because that's a lot easier than clear coat. And you can see here I move pretty quick. I don't really spend too much time. Here you can see the top steady, same distance, and just moving it quick. Here the front of the bumper, you can see my hand moves quick. And yeah, so this way it'll make it easy for you, so you don't have to worry about those areas that I've been mentioning that I call hard areas to reach. And yeah, so 2 coats it's about enough for this bumper. This bumper is out of a 22 Ford Mustang. And you guys can see now I'm just checking around, making sure that everything got covered. There's no like overspray looking areas. And yeah, so 7 ounces of clear coat. As you guys can see, I have a little bit of clear coat inside the cup, but you do not want to just shoot it just because you have it. That way you can have a big risk of running the paint. And you can see here how it turned out, pretty good. I'm using a Tecna gun that is specially made for clear coat. So yeah, if you want to achieve good paint jobs, please get a good paint gun. Alright guys, so I hope this video found you well, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And this is Moonfog Garage, and just subscribe so you guys can keep seeing more and more tips on how to paint and to make your car nicer. Alright guys, so I'll see you guys on the next one. Like and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.